Welcome back, everyone. This is Paul Strat, and he's done his own wiring. He's a big wiring guy. I can't even remember all the combinations of pickups and piezo crystals he's got. Pretty cool Strat, actually. This is the one that had to be dressed under load. These upper frets up here, there was a bit of a twist in the neck, actually. And these upper frets, I had to take them down on the bass side. They're like 24 thou to get this thing to level out along the string path full length. It plays 100% perfectly in tune. Unfortunately, I didn't get the time today to pull out all the stops as far as video goes, but the final result is absolutely great. Like, look at the action on this thing. It's beautiful. This is 11 to 49 strings. I'm just going to plug it in and play it, and you can have a listen to it. So Paul has really made this Strat his own. He's got the piezos in the bridge. This is a separate volume for the piezos. I put this compensated nut on for him, I don't even remember, years ago. So I made up that radius gauge for him as well, years ago. The neck had moved. There was a kind of a helixical twist in the neck. And on the bass side, these notes up here, which are probably the least frequented notes on the guitar, the bass string right up the top, very rarely, luckily, very rarely you play those notes, but I had to grind those frets down to 24 thou to get this thing to level out along the trajectory of the string path end to end. Anyways, it does, and it plays great. But next time around, there's nothing left to dress. Next time around, whenever that is, you'll probably get a few years out of it yet, I'll need to pull the frets, load the fingerboard, correct the fingerboard, the lay of the neck, before the new frets go in. Translucent see-through finish. It had to be probably 6-7 years ago that I initially set this guitar up. One more Strat brought right up to snuff. Cheers.